And students, welcome back to your food production class. So let's continue. So let's see what are the allied areas of the hospitality sectors.
रखते हैं. Now, introduction to the allied areas of the hospitality industry. So आपको मैंने बताया hospitality industry में बहुत vast उसका area है, जिसमें से एक area आता है हमारा travel agency. It is service owned either by the private or the public sector, providing travel and tourism to the public on behalf of the suppliers such as airline, car rentals, cruise liners, hotels, railways and package tours. This department makes travel plans for the business travelers. Some agencies specialize in commercial and business travel. These agencies serve as general sales agent for foreign travel companies and vice versa. The modern travel agency just appeared in the second half of the 19th century. Thomas Cook is the pioneer which developed package tour, establishing a chain of agencies in the last quarter of the 19th century. Travel agency grew with the advent of commercial aviation in 1920s. Originally, it catered to the middle and the upper class customer, but later with the introduction of package tours, it made travel possible even for the lower middle class. जब package system आ गया तो it is also possible for the lower middle class. Now, operation. अब ये काम कैसे करता है? The travel agency sell travel products and services on behalf of the supplier and make a commission out of each sale made. यानी कि वो ट्रैवल एजेंसी के साथ एक अपना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करती है और वो क्या करती है, जो भी ट्रैवल प्रोडक्ट होता है या सर्विस होती है उसको जो सप्लायर है उसके बिहाफ पर सेट करती है और अपना कमीशन लेती है. Some companies agree on the percentage of selling of the package. Travel agents have now their own travel website with detailed information and online booking facilities. हम भी अपनी बार कई बार हमको इमरजेंसी में कहीं जाना होता है तो हम ट्रैवल एजेंसी को कांटेक्ट करते हैं, एजेंट को कांटेक्ट करते हैं कि हमारे भाई ट्रेन में टिकट कंफर्म करा दीजिए. ट्रैवल एजेंसी इज अ लिंक बिटवीन द सप्लायर एंड द क्लाइंट. They provide business to the supplier and services to the tourist at the same time. This demonstrates the importance of travel agencies whose role is growing more and more in the modern world. हमें कई बार अचानक से कहीं इमरजेंसी ट्रैवल करना पड़ सकता है, हो सकता है बिजनेस के लिए. अब जब हम देख रहे हैं कि रेलवे में सारी सीट्स फुल हैं तो वी वर गोइंग टू कॉन्टेक्ट विद द ट्रैवल एजेंट. वो क्या होता है, क्योंकि उनके पास कुछ सीट्स होती हैं, दैट इज़ द सप्लायर एंड द इन बिटवीन द ट्रैवल एजेंट्स. तो वो अपना कुछ कमीशन लेते हैं. अगर वो हमारी ट्रेवल जैसे कि हमारी रेलवे है तो हम अपनी वहाँ पर अगर हम किसी जो हम टिकट लेते हैं वो 1000 की पड़ती है तो ये यहाँ पर हमें हो सकता है 1100 समथिंग की पड़े बिकॉज दे वर हैविंग सम कमीशन. Now, the food that are prepared and the dispensed quickly is known as the fast food. It started in 1950 in United States. Food is prepared quickly by using already pre-cooked or pre-prepared, and when ordered it is assembled, cooked to finish and serve hot. तो जैसे कि आप जानते हैं बहुत सारी फेमस फास्ट फूड कंपनीज हैं, जैसे कि आप देख लीजिए डोमिनोज है, McDonald's hai. These are the companies. So kiosk, fast food restaurants serve the quick foods. Most of the fast food outlets and takeaway often with drive-in service that let the customer to order and pick up food from the car. Common menu items are, अब इसमें क्या क्या मिलता है, fish and chips, hamburger, french fries, chicken nuggets, dosa, chaat items, ice cream, etc. Pizza is also a common fast food, and some of the famous chains are Domino's, Pizza Hut, McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, Subway. So they are the fastest growing franchisees fast food outlets. In India, the concept of fast food started as dhabas and kalpi, popular all over the country. Nirulas in Delhi were the pioneer in the fast food industry in India. The origin of fast foods are street foods. When there was urban development, fast food sprung. In the Middle Ages, London and Paris were brimming with vendors that sold cooked meat, pies, flans, etc. UK had a big part in development of local vendors. The past modern fast food restaurants was of course US. With the development of automobiles, the concept was high volume, high speed and low cost. So these things emphasis on the fast food also कि जो हमें जल्दी से मिल जाए, गरम भी हो और चीप भी हो, मतलब उसकी रेट भी कम हो. So fast food emphasis on quickness, uniformity, economical cost. जो तीन चीज़ें मैंने अभी आपके साथ डिस्कस करी, यानी कि जल्दी मिल जाए, जल्दी सर्व हो जाए, एक जैसा हो और इकोनॉमिक कॉस्ट भी हमारी देखे, यानी कि वो हमारे लिए इकोनॉमिकल पड़े, यानी कि उसका रेंज भी बहुत ज़्यादा ना हो. अब हम बात करते हैं ट्रैवल एजेंसी में जो दूसरा आता है वो है एयरलाइंस. यानी कि हमने ट्रैवल एजेंसी जानी, हमने जाना फास्ट फूड कैसे आया. अब हम बात करते हैं फास्ट फूड ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री. नाउ देयर इज एन अनदर पार्ट विच इज एयरलाइंस. Airlines provide transport services for traveling passenger and flight as well. Airlines can be owned either private or public sector. These companies should possess on air operating certificate or license issued by the government accredited bodies. Airline services can be domestic or international and operated as scheduled or chartered services. An airline meals is served for the passengers. These meals are usually prepared by the airline catering services. Meals are usually served in trays. Food is generally frozen and heated on the ground before takeoff. Food safety is of paramount importance. Any case of food poisoning amongst the passenger on the airline could have disastrous consequences. There are approximately 600 flight kitchens worldwide. The average kitchen prepares 600 to 7,000 meals every day. The first recorded in-flight services was offered in 1927. तो जो एयरलाइंस है वो हमारी ट्रेवल एजेंसी है एंड दैट इज़ ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग अ फूड. वो भी हमें खाना देती है और जो खाना क्या होता है हमारा पहले से प्री प्रिपेयर्ड होता है और वो एयरलाइंस में प्लेन में रखने से पहले, एरोप्लेन में रखने से पहले प्री हीटेड कर लिया जाता है. सम यूनिक फीचर्स टू एयरलाइन केटरिंग ऑपरेशंस आर कस्टमर एंड देयर नीड्स. मेन्यू हैज़ टू बी ऑल्टरेटेड टू सूट कंजम्पशंस. इट इन्वॉल्व लार्ज स्केल प्रोडक्शन, ट्रे सर्विसेज, adoption of cook chill process to improve the shelf life of the product made. Now the third one is retail. Now the retail industry आप जानते हैं like हमारा बिग बाज़ार है, that are also a retail is an another area of a hospitality. This is a secondary catering establishment. Retail is selling customer goods or services to customers. Distribution through multiple channels get them the profit. Retailing has become online as well, using electronic payments and delivery through couriers. Retail marketing is done in departmental stores, warehouses, boutiques, convenience stores, supermarkets, malls, etc. The famous retailers are Walmart, Reliance, Wells Lifestyle, etc. Customers' relations is very essential for continued patronage. The customer should receive what they desire for and their need to be fulfilled. The sales associate should greet the customer and make sure that he feels important, giving him undivided attention and helping him find what he is looking. So retail emphasis on customer satisfaction, selling of consumer goods or services through multiple channels, distribution of goods to all areas. कस्टमर का सेटिस्फैक्शन सबसे मेन चीज़ है। दूसरी चीज़, जो भी चीज़ वो सेल कर रहे हैं, कंज्यूमर को जो भी सेल कर रहे हैं उसके बहुत सारे उनके पास ऑप्शंस होते हैं। एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ गुड्स टू ऑल एरियाज। फिर हमारा आता है एंटरप्रेन्योर। दिस इज अ पर्सन स्टार्टिंग हिज ओन बिजनेस। He develops a business plan, acquiring human and other required resources, and is fully responsible for its success or future. Entrepreneur chooses to be one when he has a clear line between work and private leisure time, a desire to be my own boss, to keep families together, or to avoid the stressful urban corporate employment. Entrepreneurship is crucial for economic growth, job creativity, growth in productivity, and stimulate competition, personal development, and for solving social problems, identifying opportunities, and building new services. Entrepreneur originated in the 17th century in France. तो ये जो एंटरप्रेन्योर है ये कहाँ पर ओरिजिन हुआ था? फ्रांस में 17th सेंचुरी में. They should possess the skill of sensing opportunities, take risk in the face of uncertainties, to open new market, design new products, and develop innovative process. With rapid change, customer demand and expectation, constant innovation by business, small or big, to meet and hopefully exceed these evolving demands, expectations. Now, hospitality industries offer wide opportunities to entrepreneur in travel and tourism industries. Others are, इसके अलावा जो और चीज़ें हैं वो हैं लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट सेंटर्स, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग, implementation, coordination, the present corporate and relate training programs to ensure that all employees under the procedure of the company to fulfill their responsibility. Second one is event management, the role of supervising and checking on the preparation and presentation at any social gathering such as hotel, restaurant, conference and club, to make the event a more memorable one for the client. So जो दूसरा हमारा आता है वो है क्या है? इवेंट मैनेजमेंट. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ प्राइवेट जॉब. हम अपने लिए खुद इसको करते हैं और हम किसी का भी, चाहे वो होटल में जा कर के उस इवेंट को अरेंज करें, और वो हम इस तरीके से अरेंज करते हैं कि वो क्लाइंट के लिए एक मेमोरेबल हो जाए, सो दैट द क्लाइंट इज सेटिस्फाइड, आवर बिजनेसेस इंक्रीजिंग बिकॉज दे रिकमेंड दैट कि दे हैव engage that event manager for their function, so they can also call them. So these are the few things of the hospitality industries. So I think this topic is clear, class. Thank you, and we will meet in the next section. Till now, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, class.